In normal, the control box here when rotated here can listen a voice. If the control box use very long time, inside the screen might loose. You just take it off. Then check here. Here should have things at here. If there is empty, you need to just rotate it layer to let here have the things to click here. You can see this is the things with things. Here have a small things need to appear here. You need to rotate it and let these small things appear here. Then let it top. Then to tight the screen is okay. Hold it and then tight it. It's okay. Then when you finish, you can check. Okay. When you rotate it, can listen the voice, and here is and here, and the control switch can rotate it correct. Then when you take it back, you can find here have a small things, and this need match here, like this match here. Can easy back. Okay, just show you again. Here have small things match here. This and this here, and match here. Can easily back. Okay.